The double.
Bro, I was just getting charged rifle up my booty cheeks. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Hex. Hi, Curse. Sorry. We thought you were a solo, and then we thought you were a duo, and then like we saw you were a split, so I was like, fuck it. But then I got charged rifle in the back for like 100. I literally got exploded. But GG's, sorry. Yeah, that's what happens when you have Valk on your team. You just land on people. Wait, who's a hater? Why are you guys hating on me? User, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. We actually would have lived if it weren't for Sean. I'm kidding. Charge rifle babies. They're just sitting on top of tower, literally just sniping. Listen. Listen, listen. We have no brain. Combined, we have 2 brain cells. So if we see someone, we end.
I know all the roads. They all lead to the same place.
Need to drink water. Who had told me to hydrate? I forgot who it was. I stood off the wall and just landed in front of all of them. I needed portal like 10 more seconds. I had portal.
This is your
That was so annoying.
Watch out or I'll grapple you. Literally.
We went positive though, right? There's no way we didn't go positive.
Something like that.
Stay close.
I got like a plus 140.
Just coughed and Lucy just looked at me like I cursed her.
Here we go. Ready up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Is there crafting over here? No, there isn't. You want to go lava instead? Because there's crafting there. I'm going lava.
We can go wherever you want.
I want to go where there's karate.
2 teams over at Contain at least, or whatever it's called. 2 teamers over at Countdown. Good team.
Sir, yes, sir.
2 of them.
Why are you landing on me, sir?
2. Count it. 2.
Got a sentinel here.
Yeah, I'd be down for some martial. Have you guys ever done the Chubby Bunny challenge?
Got a new shoot here.
No.
Level 2.
I was 10 once.
You said, of course, as if you do it regularly.
No, I mean just like wasn't everybody like 10?
Round 1.
Nope.
At one time? Like,
Yeah, but you were 10 in like 1980, so.
We're inside.
That is true.
This is LG for sure.
LG.
Me and Stan are babies. We
You're
don't
an
claim
ageist.
you. Shut up.
I'm like 4 years old.
Yeah. He's a baby.
Just take
Me and
that
Mel are
shit.
literally like 5.
I could use that.
Like 5 and 7 or something.
Mm-hmm.
No,
I'm
you
2
wanna
years
show-
older.
You wanna share the
We're
cool
like
shields,
your
like-
height. We're 5 and 4.
Right. But it's 5'3". And that's with
Got a
my
new
like
shield
big
here.
fucking boosters
Level 2.
on.
With your huh?
That's you
Got
in
the
your
boosters
booster
on?
seat.
They fighting over there.
Because
Well, it's actually like technically it's like